Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Mentoring Minds with Ajay Sharma. अब तक हमने डिस्कस किया रिगार्डिंग बैंक रिकंसिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट व्हाई द बैंक बैलेंस डिफर्स। हमने ये भी समझा कि कैश बुक बैलेंस और पासबुक बैलेंस किस तरह से डिफर करता है व्हेन द एंट्रीज आर देयर इन बोथ कैश बुक एज वेल एज पासबुक। यानी कैश बुक की एंट्रीज और पासबुक की एंट्रीज जब दोनों जगह सेम एंट्रीज होती हैं, then the difference is not going to arise. But the difference arises only when the entries are not present in cash book or either in passbook. In today's session, we are going to understand how to identify the entries when the cash book and passbook of different months are given it to us. हमें कैश बुक प्रीवियस मंथ की दी हुई है और हमें पासबुक नेक्स्ट मंथ की दी हुई है और हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि व्हाई द बैलेंस हैज डिफर्ड। सो आज का सेशन काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। लेट्स फोकस नाउ हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट व्हेन द कैश बुक एंड पासबुक फॉर डिफरेंट मंथ्स आर गिवन इट टू अस। सो लेट्स continue our discussion on bank reconciliation statement, how the different months cash book and passbook are identified. So if you observe here, in cash book the month is January while the balance as on 1st February is 61,500. अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, here cash book and passbook is given it to us. Cash book का मंथ है जनवरी, but passbook they have given us for the month of February. That means the months are not common. जब months common नहीं होते तो obviously हमें वो entries लेनी है जो previous month से हो करके next month में गई. It means we are going to take common entries which are present in both the books, that is cash book as well as passbook. So सबसे पहले हम identify करेंगे what the balance is regarding cash book and passbook. So let's see, if you observe on 1st February the balance was 61,500, but the passbook says on 1st Feb the balance is 58,500. Oh, so here the difference of around 3,000 rupees has come. तो ये 3,000 का डिफरेंस किस वजह से आया, यही हमें डिटेक्टिव के तौर पर आइडेंटिफाई करना है. We have to identify why the differences between cash book and passbook has come. So let's see how are we going to write it. पहले हम balances लिख लेते हैं. So the balance is cash book balance, that is debit balance, क्योंकि debit side heavy है, या फिर ये debit side दिया हुआ है, that's why it's a debit side. Debit balance is 61,500. Remember, this is the opening balance. Similarly, passbook says on 1st February the balance is credit side, that is credit balance 58,500. So हमारा आंसर स्टार्ट होगा कैश बुक से और कंप्लीट होगा पासबुक से. सर क्या हम पासबुक से स्टार्ट कर कैश बुक तक जा सकते हैं? द आंसर इज यस. चॉइस इज योर्स. सेम प्रोसीजर वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो. Anyhow, we are going to follow now the procedure from cash book to passbook. So cash book is 61,500. It's a bank balance. तो हम यहाँ लिख देंगे bank balance as per cash book is 61,500, while passbook balance is 58,500. हमारा क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होगा 61,500 से और कंप्लीट होगा 58,500 पर. यानी हमें आंसर लाना है 61,500 से 58,500 पर. Let's see how are we going to proceed now. हमें पता है साइन नोटेशन के लिए, in case of sign notation we have to identify whether it's a favorable balance or unfavorable balance. They have given us bank balance as per cash book. So bank balance is a favorable balance. Favorable balance as per cash book, that means receipts are more. Since receipts are more, it will give us favorable balance. और हमें पता है साइन नोटेशन के लिए कैश बुक में we have to take opposite sign. So यहाँ पर साइन आ जाएगी माइनस. फाइन. So this minus we will have a starting point in our working note. So minus के बाद हम क्या करेंगे सर? We are going to take the alternate series. माइनस के बाद आता है प्लस, प्लस के बाद माइनस, के बाद प्लस. We are having favorable balance as per cash book. Now, let us compare the entries in cash book as well as passbook. हमें पता है receipt side is having link with deposit while payment is having link with withdrawal. Now, since the months are different, हमें वही entries लेनी है जो entries common है in both the books, that is in cash book as well as passbook. So let us do line by line understanding about how to identify this. So if you observe here, the common entries in these book, that is cash book and passbook. So let's go in order. So if you observe here, Deepa, is Deepa present over here? 22,500. Are we having 22,500 over here? No. That means this entry is not common. Kulkarni. Kulkarni 82,500. Is the same entry present over here? Kulkarni. The answer is no. Richa 51,000. Check out, is the same entry present in deposit side in passbook? No. So what you observe, Shreyas 24,000, Shreyas 24,000. This is the common entry present in both cash book as well as passbook. यानी ये एंट्री ऐसी है जो दोनों बुक में आई है. इट सिंपली मीन्स कि हमने श्रेयस का चेक डिपॉजिट किया था ऑन 26 जनवरी, बट दिस चेक गॉट क्लियर्ड ऑन 3 Feb. मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन, बैंकिंग रीजन हो सकते हैं, कोई भी टेक्निकल रीजन हो सकता है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन द चेक वॉज डिपॉजिटेड बट नॉट क्लियर्ड. Since we are going to prepare bank reconciliation statement for January, हम 24,000 we are going to show it in cash book receipt side. Since it is not deposited in the same month, that is on 31st January, that's why the difference in balance has come. The difference of 24 and 1 and 0 is 24,000. Sign notation is minus. So on less side, on minus side, we are going to write check deposited but not clear. If you want, you can write the name of the customer. कि किस customer का check deposit किया लेकिन clear नहीं हुआ. Great. So now all the entries in cash book is done. Same way we will compare now cash book payment side entries with the withdrawal. Got it? हमें पासबुक को कंपेयर नहीं करना है. The simple reason we are focusing on cash book के वजह से डिफरेंस आता है. The reason is that either हम लिखना भूल जाते हैं और either time gap के वजह से. So let's see here on the payment side, purchases have given 15,000. क्या यहां पर भी 15,000 का कहीं पेमेंट है क्या? No. Kuldeep 21,000. We have issued check of 21,000 to Kuldeep. Check out, has the payment made in passbook? Yes. So if you observe, 21,000 ka payment was made to Kuldeep. So we have issued check on 7th January, but Kuldeep deposited the check and it got cleared in the next month, 8th February. So what we conclude, we have issued check to him, but in that particular month उसने check present नहीं किया. यानी चेक इशू तो हुआ लेकिन पेमेंट के लिए आया नहीं. सो दिस इज द कॉमन एंट्री विच इज फाउंड इन बोथ कैश बुक एज वेल एज पासबुक. क्या करेंगे हम जहां पर एंट्री आई है वहां पर लिख देंगे. विल रिकॉर्ड इट इन पेमेंट साइड 21,000, where passbook there is no withdrawal for the month of January, so difference of 21,000 has come. Sign notation plus. So in plus side, in addition side, we are going to write check issued but not presented 21,000. Got it here? Rest all other entries are not there. Let's see Hemant advertisement. Advertisement is 36,600. Right? Check out, is the entry there present in passbook? The answer is no. Hemant 56,400. Is the entry there in passbook withdrawal side? That means Hemant's check was issued and also paid in the month of January. वो फरवरी तक गया ही नहीं. So 56,400 की एंट्री ऑल टुगेदर पासबुक में हो चुकी है. So we find all the entries are covered in cash book as well as in passbook. हमें पासबुक की बाकी एंट्रीज पर फोकस नहीं करना है. The reason, the difference we are finding it out for from cash book to passbook for a different month. So here in this case, only one entry is there on payment side, which is of Kuldeep 21,000. Okay, so now we'll do the total. The total amount to be added is 21,000. So 61 plus 21,000. 60 plus 20 is 80 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 82,500. Similarly, the amount to be subtracted is 24,000. If I subtract 80 minus 20 is 60. But यहाँ पर 12 है and here 4,000. So if I subtract it's 8,000. तो 80 में 80 minus 20 होता है 60. 60 में से 10 minus करना होगा. So 58,500 should be the entry. So we understood how are we going to record the entries when the difference comes because of the passbook and cash book balance differs for the different month. So whenever they are going to give us the difference in balance as per passbook, in that case we are going to understand this. Anyhow, in today's session we understood, dear student, regarding how to find out the differences when cash book and passbook of different months are given it to us. Description में notes are provided and also certain assignments are provided. See to it that you are practicing the sums every day. So take care. Bye.